Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jillies Nails, where we do nail art on natural nails every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Today we're doing Mardi Gras nails because I love them and they're pretty and they have glitter and purple and green and all my favorites, so Mardi Gras it is. All three of these colors are actually my favorites out of this type of polish. So the first one is About Last Night. It's from the Vanessa Hudgens collection with Sinful Colors. It is a true gold, like a golden honey color. It's beautiful, it's metallic, it goes on very nice. This purple is called Mystique. This is a glitter polish from Sinful Colors. It's very sheer on the first coat, but the second coat is a game changer. It turns into full glitter. I don't know how it's so sheer on this first coat, and the second coat looks so dang pretty, because it's gorgeous. If you love purple polish, you need to find this one, and it's hard to find. That one is the color that got me obsessed with Sinful Colors in the first place. It's called Queen of Green. I bought it from a St. Patrick's Day collection 2 or 3 years ago. It's green, it has gold shimmers in it, it's absolutely freaking gorgeous, it's glittery, I love it. Love that polish. It's my favorite in my whole collection, and I'm kind of ticked because I didn't realize that stuff was on like limited editions of freaking nail polish, and I can't get it anymore. It's my favorite color. I love it. I'm going in with an older stamping polish from Maniology. It's called Liquid Gold. It is a little bit darker than the Vanessa Hudgens Gold in person. My hope was that it would show up on the nail as a Harlequin pattern. It did not. Well, it shows up in person. It does not show up on camera. So it looks like I'm just stamping nothing, but I promise it's there, and I promise you can see it in person. It's just very faint. But it's a very good background for the masks that we're going to stamp here shortly. So I am stamping this Harlequin pattern across all of my nails. I keep almost saying Harley Quinn instead of Harlequin. I blame Kevin Smith. We watched his latest movie last night, or not last night, over the last weekend. Not funny, by the way, which normally I love his stuff, but that one was, whew, it was different. That's all I'm saying. Love this gold over this purple and green. It's so pretty. And again, I am doing that across all of the nails just to make sure they all match. And putting on a very thick coat of Sedgwick top coat and capping the ends. The reason that I'm doing this now is because I'm going to do some kind of tricky stamping. It's not horribly difficult, but it can be tricky. So I want to make sure if I make an error, I have a little bit of clear on top so I can just go back in and wipe it off. This is another plate from the Basic Instinct set that I'm using specifically for these masks. They are perfect for a Mardi Gras manicure. And if you're new to stamping, please remember they are always covered with a blue protective coating. Sometimes the coatings are clear. If you order off of Wish and places like that a lot, it may be clear. So if you can't get anything to pick up at all, make sure there's not a topper on it. Now the first mask that I'm going to use is half negative space and half etched design. So I am doing gradient stamping here, which is where you mix two colors on the same stamp and you pick them up at the same time. I had to go through and just kind of wipe off around it because those masks are super close together, but look at that. How cute is that? It's really cute up close. You can really see how well everything is etched out and designed. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other mask. It's already colorful enough in this manicure. I don't want to go way too crazy. Plus I'm going to do a little bling, a little bling. You know, I have a love-hate with bling because on natural nails you pretty much have two options, top coat or glue, and both of them pop off. So it's very frustrating. I wish somebody would come out with something for natural nails and keeping gems on that's not gel or acrylic or something like that. Now I am going to use these chandelier, diamonds, crystals, whatever, as Mardi Gras beads because you can't have Mardi Gras without beads. So I'm just going to stamp that on my thumb just so I have, something unified in person. And peely. Latex booger time. Yes, I call those latex boogers, and if you use one booger, you can pick off the other one with the other booger. See, you can use that to grab it and pull it away. It's a very handy trick. It does not work on the Maniology latex-free stuff, but it does work on this. Because I can tell you there's nothing more annoying than having that barrier on, and you flick it funny, and the polish flips back on and ruins your design. Alright, looky there. There's some bling laying on the mat in front of me. These are diamond-shaped. They're plastic studs. I don't buy Swarovski crystals. They don't stay on. I will literally lose gems within 24 to 48 hours. They'll get caught on my hair. Even if I go through the trouble to make sure they're super sealed in, I still will lose gems left and right. So I don't buy expensive ones. That's just me. If you can keep them on, you do you. But I am doing green on top of purple and then purple on top of green just to kind of keep the theme and the contrast going. And I actually really love this manicure. It's one of my favorites I've done so far this year. I think sometimes when you don't expect to do a design and it just pops in your head and it works out great, it's just makes you all warm and fuzzy inside. So there is the final design for Mardi Gras. Hope you like it. I hope you check it out. And if you want to see some more videos like it, go ahead and click in the upper right hand corner. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I said bye. Why aren't you gone? Bye.